So here we go, guys. I managed to take out my Subaru rear differential gearbox here, and the thing here is that when it spins, see that grinding sound? Seems like the gears, hopefully it's just the pinion, the gear and the pinion pin is the one that's broken. I think it might need a new forward oil seal here, so I'll have to open this up. So I need to label all this so that it will match. It will match when I put it back. And then I already drained the oil for this, so I need to take all of this bolts out, to take this front back plate and this bolts out, and on the other side as well. Then right here, I'm gonna take this nut out so I can hammer this this part that connects to the drive shaft. So yeah, I'll video after taking it apart.